Hello everyone, hello everyone, hello everyone. We're glad you came today. Hello, time for play. And today we're going to play with, do you know what this is? It's a farm, and we're gonna play what's inside. We're gonna say what is inside, what's inside, and out. It's a, do you know what this is? It's a horse. He goes, neigh, neigh, neigh. What's inside? Hand in. What is it? That's right. It's a duck. He goes quack, 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 quack. What's inside? Hand in. It's a, what is it? A cow. The cow goes moo, moo. Good job. What's inside? Hand in. What am I gonna find? What is it? Another cow. And she goes moo. Two cows. Let's take a closer look. Two cows. A big cow and a little cow. The mommy and the baby cow. Do you see that? Yeah, the mommy and the baby cow. Should we do more? Let's do more. Let's see. What's inside? Hand in. What's inside? What is it? It's a pig. He goes oink, 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 oink. It's a pig. Good job. What's inside? Shake, 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 shake. And let me see. What am I gonna find? Another horse. Neigh. Let's look for my other horse. A big horse and a little horse. Two. The daddy and the baby. Do you see? Two horses. Neigh. Good job. We'll do one more. What's inside? Let's see. What is it? Meow. It's a cat. It's a cat, and the cat says meow. Good job. You did great today. Thank you for playing. We're all done. We're gonna say bye, horse. Neigh. Bye, cow. Moo. Bye, pig. Oink, oink, oink. Bye, duck. Duck. Quack, quack, quack. Bye, cat. Meow. We're all done with play. See you next time.